Well, hey everyone, I'm Julie. I'm with Alliance Team Realty, and I want to bring some good information to you that you might not know. If you're 62 or older, there's a great program out there for you to help buy your next house. It's called a reverse mortgage. Did you know that you can actually buy a house with a reverse mortgage? I did not know this. I just spent some time getting educated myself on what a reverse mortgage is, what it's not, and how it can help. And the biggest thing I took away is that you can actually sell your current house and buy your next house with a reverse mortgage. And why is this a good thing? Well, three things. One, if you're going to be selling anyway, you want to downsize because that house that you're in, you don't want the maintenance anymore, it's just too big. Two, you don't like stairs. I hear that all the time. Or three, you want to be closer to your grandkids. So you're probably going to be moving from that forever home that you've been in for 35 years to something smaller, maybe a townhouse, one level living, etc. So you're already going to make that move. Did you know that you can buy that house with a reverse mortgage? It makes total sense for the right people because of the finances, what you can save or make if you're not taking money out of your retirement to purchase that home, and if you can't or don't want to use all the funds from your current house that you're selling. So if you have any questions or you want to know more about this great product, I would love to talk to you and really explain how this might be a great product for you. Thanks for watching.